Lack of knowledge, they say people perish. People who know nothing about what they eat or what they should consume ends up having many diseases. Sister Belinda was overweight. She was obese and was desperate to lose weight. But in her attempt to lose weight, she nearly lost her liver. My name is Asanaba Owusu-Adiomi. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing health tips, and also share our videos to educate others. Sister Belinda wanted to lose weight. She went in for several medications to lose weight, but to no avail. She did so many research, and then one day she came across a certain page on Facebook promising to help her lose weight within 2 weeks to 1 month. Something that she tried several months, several years to lose weight, but it wasn't helping. And then someone promised her that it can be solved within 1 month. It was a very good and it was a very nice initiative. Sister Belinda decided to order for their supplement, and the supplement came and she was told on how to use them. But honestly, the supplement contains almost 80% of cinnamon. It came with different supplements, but most of them were cinnamon. And according to her, she had to be taking this cinnamon 2 tablespoons daily. 1 tablespoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon in the evening, and then it's supposed to be mixed with honey, lemon, and other ingredients. It was very nice. And then once she started taking this supplement, it was working on her. She was losing weight, though it took her more than 1 month as she was promised. But honestly speaking, according to her, it was really working. It really helped her. She reached to a stage where she realized that fine, she has lost a lot of weight, and then she will continue to be taking this supplement. As time goes on, she wasn't feeling well. She was going through some symptoms, and she decided to go for a checkup. The test came, and the result was that she is having liver disease, which is fatty liver disease. And according to her, she was surprised. Even when she was overweight, she was not having this condition. How come that now that she has lost a lot of weight, then she's having this condition? So she wanted to know the cause. She was asked about things that causes liver disease, like diet and drinks and others. But according to her, when she was trying to lose weight, she avoided all those things. So she still don't understand. And the doctor told her, no problem, for me, this is what the test is. You have liver condition. You can go for another test at a different lab center or hospital to see whether it will confirm what I'm talking about or what the result says here. She went for another test somewhere, and it also came out to be true. So what she did was, nobody was able to help this lady, and then she also did her research and came across our contact on social media. She called me, we talked on phone, and then I asked her what happened. How was she able to lose weight, as she was saying that she was obese and then she lost weight. So after losing weight, she had this condition. It was there that she explained to me what she did to lose weight. So I asked her, the cinnamon that you were taking, was it so hot like pepper? She said yes. And I said, the scent of the cinnamon, was it so high? She said yes. So I told her, the cinnamon that you use for your weight loss is the cause of your liver disease. She said, why? And I said, you were taking the wrong type of cinnamon, which is cassia cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon is very good for cosmetic purposes. So the cassia cinnamon contains a lot of coumarin. And the coumarin content in cassia cinnamon is so high that when taking it at a very high doses, you will end up damaging your liver. That is what she didn't know. So the cassia cinnamon, we have 2 types of cinnamon. We have the cassia cinnamon and then the Ceylon cinnamon. And then also the cassia cinnamon is a little bit dark brown. It's a little bit dark brown. But the Ceylon cinnamon is also light brown. The cassia cinnamon and the Ceylon cinnamon are not the same when it comes with their colors. The cassia cinnamon is very good and the Ceylon cinnamon is very good. But when you talk about the Ceylon cinnamon, then we are talking about the true cinnamon from Sri Lanka. The cassia cinnamon, when taking the cassia cinnamon, it should be about half a teaspoon daily or just a teaspoon daily, because it is high in coumarin, a certain compound which can damage the human liver. You can use the cassia cinnamon to spice up your diet. So this lady was taking this cassia cinnamon 2 tablespoons daily, which was too high for the liver to metabolize it. And honestly speaking, when you are taking the cassia cinnamon, definitely you lose the weight, but the consequences is something that you might end up regretting later. So I explained everything to this lady, and she realized that she is the one who caused her own liver to damage. This is the difference between the cassia cinnamon and then the Ceylon cinnamon, as you can see from the pictures. The cassia cinnamon, sometimes it doesn't have multiple foldings like quails, but the Ceylon cinnamon has multiple foldings. It has many layers, unlike the cassia cinnamon. It has a very hot taste, and the smell or the flavor of the cassia cinnamon is very high. It's not like the Ceylon cinnamon. These are the difference, and I can assure you that most of people who buy cinnamon from the market, they buy cassia cinnamon because they prefer the taste or the scent of the cassia cinnamon. Meanwhile, the cassia cinnamon is very dangerous, and once taking it continuously can also affect the liver. So I advise her to avoid taking the cinnamon that she was taking. And you know, when you have liver disease, something like you have fatty liver disease, it's simple to treat fatty liver disease, but when it gets to a certain stage, that is where it becomes so difficult to treat. And most of Ghanaians, they always want something which is very hot. The cassia cinnamon is very common and is easy to get, but the Ceylon cinnamon, which is the true cinnamon, is very scarce and it's also expensive. So sometimes when people are buying cinnamon from us and we mention the price to them, they say, why is it so expensive like that? The reason is that they think that is as normal as those that are found in the supermarket, but there are differences between these two. The cassia cinnamon and the Ceylon cinnamon, they are not the same. And if you want the best from these two, then you have to go for the Ceylon cinnamon. So I advised this lady and I showed her the difference between the cassia cinnamon and then the Ceylon cinnamon. She later realized that it was the cinnamon that she was taking that affected the liver. So before you buy cinnamon, if the cinnamon taste is very high, then it means that you are not having the true cinnamon or you are not using the Ceylon cinnamon. If the scent of the cinnamon is also high, then you are not using the true cinnamon or the Ceylon cinnamon. And when you apply it on the skin and then it burns the skin, it means that you are also using cassia cinnamon. Everything about the Ceylon cinnamon is very low, the scent is very low, the taste is not too hot. When you apply on the skin too, it's not hot like the cassia cinnamon. So most of the times, the cassia cinnamon is used for cosmetic purposes. But when it comes with the edible ones, though the cassia cinnamon is edible, but at a very low dosage. But the Ceylon cinnamon is edible and you can even take it as high as you want and cannot cause any damage to your liver. But just know that too much of everything is bad. So if somebody can take 1 or 2 tablespoons of Ceylon cinnamon in a day, nobody can take 2 tablespoons of cassia cinnamon in a day without going through liver disorders. So we advise people they should check, they should do their research well, because the cassia cinnamon is very common, and nowadays people are desperate to lose weight, and once they are desperate to lose weight, they don't care about the type of cinnamon that they are using to lose weight. But I can assure you that most of the cinnamon that people are using nowadays, they are gradually destroying their liver, and at a time will come that most people will have liver disease. So if you are watching this video, just know about these 2 cinnamon, the Ceylon and then the cassia cinnamon, and be well educated that you should know much about these 2. If you don't know anything about these 2, if you've not done any research about these 2, then don't even use cinnamon at all, because you might buy the wrong kind of cinnamon, which at the end affects your liver. My name is Asanamba Osuedomi. You can share this video, or we are into natural remedies, or we treat diseases with natural remedies. If you have any health condition, whether diabetes, sexual weakness, PALS, or erectile dysfunction, menstrual disorders, fertility issue, hepatitis, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, stomach ulcer, and many more, any other disease that you are going through, contact the number on the screen. That is +233 240 900 or +233 27 344 5444. You know what I always say at the end: fear what we eat more than the devil himself, because if you eat well, you will live long. If you eat healthy diet, you will live long. because your food is your medicine.